Hello guys, so today I am again back with new video. Okay, I am again back with new video, that is list versus string. Okay, so here we will talk about list and string. What is list? We already read about it. List, that is a collection of anything. Anything means you can have characters also in the list. You can have the integers also in the list. Fine, but lists are mutable. Mutable means, here what is the meaning of mutable? Means you can change them, you can update the list, you can delete anything from the list. Fine, so these are the list. Now if we will talk about strings. Okay, what is string actually? String, it is a sequence of characters. Okay, means it can have only characters. Like if I will say maths, okay, so maths will be a string. Fine, so we cannot have the numbers also over here. Fine, strings are immutable. Strings are immutable. Fine, immutable means to whom you cannot change. Clear? To whom you cannot change. Fine, so let's see the example of string first. Suppose I am creating one string here, like s is equal to, I am writing here earth. Clear? Fine. uh, Fine. Okay, now I am creating, I simply want, I am using the title. Okay, I am using here title. So what is the job of title here? It will capitalize the first character. Okay, it will capitalize, but it cannot change the string. Means it will not happen that के अर्थ है तो अर्थ की जगह कोई और word आ जाएगा. It will not replace it. Okay, so title means it will change the first letter, this first letter. Okay, it will make it capital. If suppose I will run this, look here very carefully, if I will run this, what will happen? Control S, you will see here only the same string has printed. Okay, same string is printed over there. Fine, so if I will, but here what you can do, see if it is not giving the output, so what will you do? You will simply, you will simply create the new, you can simply create a new string over here. Okay, you cannot change this existing string, but yes, you can create the new string. Okay, if I will write here, look here, t is equal to s dot title. Okay, now here I am creating a new string. Fine, then after that I am printing t. Now let's see the change, and I will run this. What happens? Now you can see what had happened. It is yes, of course, capitalizing the first letter of the earth. Okay, so this is how the strings works. It's not changing at all, but yes, it is capitalizing it. Fine, so कहने का मतलब है, जो एक बार इसमें डिक्लेयर हो जाता है, एक स्ट्रिंग डिक्लेयर हो जाती है, दैट मीन्स वो डिक्लेयर हो गई. ओके, यू कैन नॉट चेंज इट. क्लियर? So if we will now talk about, if we will talk about now list. Okay, if we will talk about list here. Fine, so I will create, just let me create one list here. Okay, like I will write here list 1. Okay, is equal to, let me create one list here, like I am writing the few names here, like A, just suppose. Then next name I am writing here uh, Wahinur. Okay, fine. After that, if suppose I am writing one more name, okay, if I will write here one more name, that is Tanav. Okay, another name also. Okay, suppose this is my list. Fine, only these this much. Okay, now what I want to do, if I want to, if I will use here pope method. So what does that mean? L1 L1 pope. Okay, So we already done these methods, okay, in the previous videos. So pop will delete the last element from the list. So this one is the last element, okay. As I will run this, okay, it will delete simply the last element, okay. So let's run. I will run it. Print L1, okay, control S, and let's check the output. Now you can see here the last element Tanav has been deleted from the list. So it means the concept is here that you can easily delete it, okay. You can easily delete it and you can update it. Fine. So but in string you cannot do these things. Fine. So I hope till now it is clear to you what is list and what is string here. So we cannot add one thing more about if I'll say about this one, string. So I will say that we cannot add characters in the list, okay. We cannot add characters in the string, okay, in the existing string. Fine. So here in the list we can add. Fine. I will write here we can add, okay. At any time, if you want to update it, you want to delete it, you want to insert something, you can do very easily, okay. We can say that list is flexible, okay. We can say that list is flexible. Fine. So if we will talk about string here, so it's not necessary that string is immutable in all the programming languages. Yes, of course, it can be mutable. It can be mutable in other languages. That depends which language you are using here. For example, Ruby language. Okay, in Ruby language, it is mutable. Okay, so we cannot say, okay, it simply depends on the language. Okay. So I hope it is clear to you. The concept of list versus string is clear to you. What is it? Okay, we are comparing the things one by one. Last time we read about list versus array. Now we are talking about list versus string. Okay, so I hope these things are clear to you. Thank you.